Hello, so do you want to know how Botox is done and how you can remove the wrinkles on your forehead or around your eyes? Today at Skin Clinic, I'm Dr. Samujjala and let me quickly show you how we analyze a patient, how we counsel a patient, how we do the markings, and finally how we inject Botox. It's a very safe treatment. It lasts for about 6 months to 1 year and it gives you a nice youthful look. It helps you get rid of all the lines on your face. Let's quickly get into the procedure. So can you please look up for me? Yes. Now can you give me a big smile? Very good. Frown like this? Yes. So as you can see, our patient has a lot of fine lines and wrinkles around her eyes. She is keen to look a bit more fresh and she doesn't like the appearance of these lines around her eyes. So today we are going to do botulinum toxin for her. Let's quickly do the markings and then we will show you how the injection is done. So that is how easy it is to get a Botox treatment done. You can quickly go back to your work. There are no visible marks on the face. It is very comfortable to the patient. So yes, if you have any more queries, let us know in the comments below. And if you are waiting to try out Botox, then go and consult a dermatologist. It's a very beautiful procedure. It gives you a nice youthful look. It helps you get rid of all the fine lines and the wrinkles on your forehead. And yes, if you like this video, give this a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next video.